Charities, which is everybody in this crowd, thanks for being here. Your job is to finish. We come from you, you come from us. We are part of this American fabric. And this is the People's Marathon, and those are your Ospreys coming over. We are proud of you. This is what it looks like to win. Get some this morning. Super proud of you. Don't forget, we come from you, and you're part of us. Hoorah, Semper Fi. Thank you.